How Rocket Learned to Read. Author Todd Hills, retold by Elliana. This is Rocket. He loves to chew sticks and play in the leaves. Every fall morning, Rocket would take a nap for a good hour or two. One day, a little yellow bird landed behind Rocket and startled him. "Why is she here?" And the little yellow bird said, "I am so glad you saw my sign." Rocket said, "But I don't know how to read." "Welcome to my class," the yellow bird said. "Now I'll show you how to read. Let's start with the alphabet." When they were done with the alphabet, they were wondering what to do. The bird was deciding on stuff, but they don't know. So they said, "Let's read a book." The book that they read was The Unlucky Dog Named Buster. And Rocket realized that the little yellow bird flew away. Rocket arrived early, and the little yellow bird was there. She said, "Let's finish the book." After that, Rocket learned how to read. He spelled grrr, and then he heard a dog say grrr back to him. And the bird left. Will Rocket ever see the little yellow bird again? Dun, dun, dun.